Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is this super easy do-it-yourself rope tray. So here I have a cardboard top to a cardboard box, and I'm just using it flipped upside down. And I'm also using this faux wood contact paper and some of that decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to cut the contact paper to the size I need it to put in the center of the box. Just like so. And then you're going to need some hot glue. And you're just going to take your hot glue and put some hot glue onto the box and glue on that rope and wrap it all the way around. I'm also using these wall decals from the Dollar Tree and just placing it right in the center of the box. And now you have this really cute rope tray. So for the top, that's where I added just a few strips of the twine just to cover that top part of the box. And for the handles, while I was wrapping it around, I just left it up just like I have it right there and just glued onto the other side of the box, leaving that up so you can use it as a handle. Also added some rope inside the box to cover those seams. And now you have this really cute rope tray. This would be perfect for like a coffee table or even like on your kitchen counter to use as a coffee kind of bar area and just have like all your coffee things in there with your coffee machine. Super cute and inexpensive. I hope you guys like this DIY. If you did, give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it, and I'll catch you guys really soon in the next DIY.